Welcome to my channel, Hey Aarohi. In my channel, we have giggles, stories, and much more. And guess what? Hey there, little stars. Are you ready to giggle, wiggle, and learn your ABCs with me? Let's dive into the land of letters, where apple dances and jelly jiggles, where zebra zigzags with zoomies. Hold on to your hats, because it's time for the alphabet rhyme party. Disco, 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 disco. Are you ready? Let's go!
A is for apple, red and bright, shiny and yummy, take a bite. B is for ball, bouncy and round, show it, catch it off the ground. C is for cat, with a fuzzy face, she meows and runs all over the place. D is for dog, who wags his tail, he barks and plays and chases a snail. E is for elephant, big and strong, he swings his trunk all day long. F is for fish, swimming in a stream, splish splash whoosh like in a dream. G is for giraffe, so tall and mean, with a long neck and tiny feet. H is for hat, worn on my head, a polka dot hat that's blue and red. I is for igloo, cold and white, made of ice, but cozy at night. J is for jelly, wobbly and sweet, it jiggles and dances to the beat. K is for kite, flying so high, zooming and zipping across the sky. L is for lion, hear him roar, king of the jungle, we all adore. M is for moon, glowing above, shining down with the silvery love. N is for nest, full of eggs, safe and sound on tiny twigs. O is for octopus, wiggly and wild, with 8 funny arms, he squats the child. P is for penguin, waddling with fear, sliding on ice without a care. Q is for queen, with a sparkly crown, she rules the land in a royal gown. R is for rainbow, so bright and white, colors dancing side by side. S is for sun, shining so gold, keeping us warm, never too cold. T is for tiger, sharpy and fast, he zooms through the jungle really fast. U is for umbrella, in the rain, keeps us dry again and again. V is for violin, singing so sweet, playing those strings with a happy beat. W is for whale, splashing with might, singing sea songs day and night. X is for xylophone, tap and play, music and fun every day. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spin it, twirl it all around. Z is for zebra, black and white, it trots along from left to right.
We did it! From A to Z, we rhymed and giggled all the way. You are now an official alphabet explorer. Now give yourself a big high five. See you next time. ABC Superstar.